Hello everyone. Welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I will be showing you how to make a video private in TikTok. First, unlock your mobile phone and open the TikTok app. Once you open the TikTok app, you will see the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it, and it will take you to your profile page. You can see the videos that you have created. Tap on the video that you want to make private. Now, you will see the three-dot icon. Tap on it. Here, look for the privacy settings, and tap on it. Then click on Who Can View My Video option. From there, tap on the Only Me option. And you will successfully make your video private. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful, and you're able to make your video private on TikTok. Don't forget to like our video and comment down if you have any question or feedback. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.